Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DoorDash keep declining my Visa gift card. Prepare card limit and balance fix. Fix 1 is check your Visa card balance. Visit the website on the back of the Visa gift card, then enter your card detail to check the balance. Make sure the balance is enough to cover your card, taxes, fees and tip. Then try paying again. Second one is register the gift card. Go to the card issuer website, then register your name and billing zip code if required. Then save the information. Use the same zip code when paying on DoorDash. Third one is add the card to your DoorDash account again. Open the DoorDash app or website, then go to account, then payment, then method. Then remove the Visa gift card. Then add the card again with the correct details. Try placing your order. Fourth one is make sure your order total is within the card balance. Check the total amount, then including delivery fees and tip. Then compare it with your gift card balance. Reduce your order if the balance is too low. Replace the order again. Fifth one is use another payment method for the remaining balance. Add your Visa gift card as a payment method, then add a debit or credit card as a backup payment method. If DoorDash allows it, use the backup card to cover any remaining amount. Complete your order. Thanks for watching.